Hey guys, Simon here. This is my homemade Rebar mini bike. Been working on it for a little while. It's got a Raptor racing engine that I rebuilt. See right there, I got the header wrapped with some fiberglass stuff at the moment. Start it up in a minute for you guys to hear. Runs pretty good. Still in the break-in process. You got this neat hinge and these springs from a lawn tractor for the seat. Seat's actually made out of an old school bus cushion, and then I sewed the cover myself. Got some homemade lever action suspension, I think they call this. It actually works pretty good. Got some pretty stiff springs on there. Might need to change those. Obviously I got my brake lever, twist throttle. These are pretty cool too. I made these out of some railroad spikes. Oops, almost tipped the bike over. Some little foot pegs. They fold up. Each one of them does. Got my number 35 chain clutch. Goes down to a Coleman CT100U rear sprocket. I had to make the bracket for that because this is a weird size axle. It's 7/8. I'm do the same for the little brake caliper. Rotor, sorry. There's a caliper. That's also a homemade bracket. This thing works pretty good. I just painted it the other day. It's real cold out today. I'll see if she starts. Get back to you guys in a second.